Deep inside Malaysia's rainforest lives a small bear with a big roll. This is a sunbear, the smallest bear in the world. For thousands of years, sunbear walked freely across Asia's forests, especially in Borneo and peninsular Malaysia. They climb trees, search for honey, and live peacefully in the jungle. But today, their world is changing faster than ever.
Sunbears have lived in the forests of Southeast Asia for millions of years. Scientists believe they evolved around 5 million years ago from ancient bear ancestors. The species was first scientifically described in 1821 by Thomas Stamford Raffles, who named it Helarctos malayanus. For generations, local communities called it Beruang Madu, meaning honey bear, because of its love for honey. However, sunbears face serious threats due to habitat loss and illegal hunting, making conservation efforts more important than ever.
Sunbears are very important to nature. When they eat fruits, they drop seeds far away, helping new trees grow. When they eat insects, they protect trees from pests. They even break open beehives, which helps bees spread pollen. Sunbears keep the rainforest healthy. Imagine a forest without sunbears. The trees would grow slower. The insects would increase. The forest would slowly die. When sunbears disappear, the forest becomes silent.
Scientists estimate that fewer than 10,000 sunbears are left in the wild. In Borneo, there are only about 2,000 to 3,000 sunbears. There is fewer than students in one big Malaysian town. Sunbears are listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The biggest problem is deforestation. Since the 1970s, Malaysia has lost around 30% of its forests. Forests are cleared for palm plantations, roads, and cities. When forests disappear, sunbears lose their homes and food. Some bears are also hunted illegally. Some are captured for pets and some are killed for traditional medicines. From 1999 to 2014, more than 2,000 sunbears were confiscated in Southeast Asia. Many more were never saved. Hunting and habitat loss are pushing sunbears towards extinction.
Saving sunbears supports the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. SDG 15 is life on land, protecting wildlife and forests. SDG 13 is climate action because forests fight climate changes. SDG 12 is responsible consumption by using sustainable products.
We are only students, but we can help. We can plant trees and protect forests. We can share awareness videos and posters. We can support wildlife organizations. We can choose sustainable palm oil and wood products. Small action by many people can save sunbears.
Plant trees. Awareness campaigns. Support NGOs. Sustainable product.
Sunbears cannot speak. They cannot tell us when their forests disappear, but their silence will tell our story. If we protect sunbears, we protect our forests. If we protect our forests, we protect our planet. Saving sunbears means saving our future.
My name is Fitdin. I'm from Central Institution, and I'm with my friends Zaim and Ryan, and we would like to ask you a few questions about sunbears. And my first question is, can you briefly explain why the sunbear is important to Malaysian rainforest ecosystem?
Waalaikumsalam, Fitdin. Sunbears are extremely important because they help control termite population in the forest, and they also help spread seeds when they eat fruits. So this will help the forest regeneration, and in simple words, the sunbears help keep the healthy ecosystem in our forests.
Hello, I'm Nif. I'm Zaim from St. John's Institution, and I would like to ask a few questions. How is saving sunbears connected to sustainable development goals such as SDG 15 and 13?
Hi Zaim. Alright, so saving sunbears actually helps to support the SDG 15 because it helps to protect wildlife and biodiversity. And at the same time, it also supports the SDG 13 because protecting forests will help to fight climate change. When you take care of the forest of the sunbears, you are also taking care of the climate.
Hi Abanim, I'm Rainabil. What can students and young people do to help save the sunbear?
Alright, so to save sunbears, students and young people can play big and important roles. You can raise awareness, you can talk to your friends, you can talk to your family, educate your community, support conservation organizations like us, Biicc, and then you can also help reduce consumption of products linked to deforestation. Together, we save sunbears!